नमस्कार. रयत शिक्षण संस्था सातारा, रयत ऑनलाइन स्कूल एज्युकेशन रोज प्रोजेक्ट 2021-22, subject bookkeeping and accountancy. Welcome, I am Sri Jadhav Kevu, junior college teacher, Now Maharashtra Vidyalay and junior college Pimpri Wagire, Pune 17. Topic first, introduction to partnership and partnership final account. Part 2, partnership final account. Treatment of some importance item appearing in trial balance only. Trading account, profit and loss account, balance sheet, meaning definition and pro forma, effect of various adjustment, effects of related accounts and statement posting, importance points for solving problem. First, treatment of some important item appearing in trial balance only. Trial balance definition: the list of debit and credit balances of all ledger accounts is called as trial balance. ट्रायल बॅलन्समध्ये डेबिट बॅलन्सेस आणि क्रेडिट बॅलन्सची यादी एकत्रित यादी दिली जाते. द फायनल अकाउंट इज प्रिपेअर्ड ॲट द एंड ऑफ एव्हरी फायनान्शियल इयर. ॲज पर इन्कम टॅक्स ॲक्ट 1961, द financial position start on 1st April and end on 31st March every year. Treatment of importance items appearing in trial balance only. First, adjustment: any outstanding expenses affects only liability side of balance sheet. Any prepaid expenses asset side of balance sheet. Any outstanding income affects asset side of balance sheet. Income received in advance, liability side of balance sheet. Depreciation, debit side of profit and loss account. Loss on sale of any asset, debit side of profit and loss account. Next, goods withdrawn by partners, a debit side of capital current account. General reserve reserve fund, liabilities side of balance sheet. Deposit from public, effects liability side of balance sheet. Goods distributed as free sample, debit side of profit and loss account. Suspense account effects: it is on the debit side, show the same figure on asset side. सस्पेन्स अकाउंटचा जो डेबिट बॅलन्स असतो तो त्याची सेम प्राइस, सेम फिगर, same amount on asset side. Next, it is on the credit side, the same figure on liability side. Trading account meaning, definition and pro forma. Meaning, trading account is a nominal account. Rules of account: rules of nominal account. First, debit expenses and losses. Second, credit income and gains. ट्रेडिंग अकाउंटची डेबिट साईड ही डायरेक्ट एक्सपेन्सेस आणि क्रेडिट साईड डायरेक्ट इन्कम असल्याने ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट हे नॉमिनल अकाउंट आहे. ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट इज ओपन इन द ट्रेडिंग ऑर्गनायझेशन फॉर द पर्पज टू फाइंड आउट द ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट और लॉस incurred during the year. Trading account is the debit side of this account, all direct expenses, and credit side of this account, all direct income. The gross profit or loss transferred to profit and loss account. Trading account definition: the trading account indicates the result of buying and selling of goods. While preparing this account, the general establishment charges are ignored and only the transaction related to goods are included. They are bottom line. Perform of trading account for the year ended: particular debit amount rupees, credit particular credit amount rupees. Debit particular including ledger account to opening stock, to purchase account, less return outward, to carriage inward, to freight, to dock charges, to custom duty, to wages, productive wages, wages and salary, import duty, to coal, coke, gas and motive power, oil, water, grace, to royalty on purchase production, to primary packing charges, to factory lighting and heating, to factory rents and rates, to factory insurance, to works manager salary, to gross profit carried down. Credit particular by sales related accounts, by sales less return inward, by goods lost by fire oblique theft, by goods distributed as free sample, by goods lost in accident, by goods withdrawn by partner, by closing stock, by gross loss carried down. Next, second ledger account, profit and loss account, meaning definition and pro forma. Meaning profit and loss account is the types of nominal account. Profit and loss account is main account of income statement. It is prepared to ascertain the net profit earned or net loss suffered by business concerned during the accounting year. All indirect expenses are to be recorded to the debit side, whereas all indirect income are to be recorded to the credit side of this account. The credit balances on this account show the net profit which is to be transferred to capital account credit side or added in capital. The debit balances of this account show net loss which to be transferred to capital account debit side or deducted from capital. Profit and loss account definition. A profit and loss account is an account into which all gain and loss are considered in order to ascertain to excess of gain over the losses or vice versa. Dr. C.R.N. Carter. प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंटमध्ये आपण पाहणार आहोत की प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंटची डेबिट साईड इनडायरेक्ट एक्सपेन्सेस आणि क्रेडिट साईड इनडायरेक्ट इन्कम आपल्याला दर्शवते. टोटल इनडायरेक्ट एक्सपेन्सेस हे प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंटच्या डेबिट साईडला नोंदविले जातात, तर इनडायरेक्ट इन्कम हे प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंटच्या क्रेडिट साईडला त्याची नोंद केली जाते, नोंदविली जाते. या प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंटमध्ये क्रेडिट बॅलन्स जो आहे तो क्रेडिट बॅलन्स हा नेट प्रॉफिट आपल्याला दर्शवतो. तो नेट प्रॉफिट आपण ट्रान्सफर करत असतो कॅपिटल अकाउंटला. डेबिट बॅलन्स ऑफ अकाउंट शो नेट लॉस विच इज टू बी ट्रान्सफर कॅपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट साईड टू डिडक्ट फ्रॉम कॅपिटल. जेव्हा डेबिट बॅलन्सेस नेट प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंटचा डेबिट बॅलन्स आपल्याला जेव्हा पाहायला मिळतो तेव्हा नेट लॉस मिळतो. तो नेट लॉस हा कॅपिटल अकाउंटमधून डिडक्ट केला जातो. प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंटची डेफिनेशनमध्ये आपण पाहिलेलं आहे की प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंट इज अन अकाउंट इन टू विच ऑल गेन्स अँड लॉसेस आर कन्सिडर इन ऑर्डर टू ascertain excess of gain over the losses vice versa. Pro forma of profit and loss account for the year ended. Debit side, debit particular debit amount rupees, debit particular credit particular credit amount rupees, debit particular debit balances, to salaries account, to salary and wages account, to rent and rates, to insurance, to electricity lighting, to telephone, to printing stationery, traveling expenses, to depreciation on asset, to loading charges, to audit fees, to entertainment expenses, repair, renewal, maintenance, to interest on loan, loss by fire, loss by theft, loss in accident, discount allowed, allowances to advertisement, carriage outward, sale charges, bad debts, export duty, taxes, general expenses, trade expenses, legal charges, professional charges, bank charges, seller's fee, secondary packing charges, to loan on fixed asset, to net profit transfer to partners capital account. Credit particular related account by gross profit brought down, by commission received, by discount received earned, by interest received by dividend received by rent received by sundry receipt, profit sale of asset, net loss transferred to partners capital oblique current account. Balance sheet, meaning balance sheet is a statement showing financial position of the firm on particular day. All liabilities are recorded to its left hand side, whereas all assets are recorded to its right hand side. Balance sheet is not account but a statement. बॅलन्स शीटमध्ये बॅलन्स शीट ही एक स्टेटमेंट आहे. बिझनेसच्या फायनान्शियल पोझिशन पाहण्यासाठी त्याचा उपयोग होतो. बॅलन्स शीटच्या डाव्या साईडला लायबिलिटी रेकॉर्ड होत असते, तर उजव्या साईडला ॲसेटची नोंद केली जाते, रेकॉर्ड होत असते. बॅलन्स शीट हे एक स्टेटमेंट आहे. बॅलन्स शीट डेफिनेशन: the balance sheet is a statement on a particular date showing on one side the debt, traders property and possession, and on the other side the liabilities. Pro forma balance sheet is given below. Balance sheet as on: liability amount rupees, asset amount rupees. Liability side: capital accounts, partner's name, partner's current account, credit balances, general reserve, profit and loss account, loan on mortgage, bank loan, loan from partners, bills payable, bank overdraft, sundry creditors, add less any other adjustment, less provision for discount on creditors, outstanding expenses, income received in advance, provision for taxes. Asset side: goodwill, land and building, less depreciation, plant and machinery, less depreciation, furniture and machinery, furniture and fixture, less depreciation, equipment, less depreciation, delivery motor van, less depreciation, leasehold, freehold, premises, less depreciation, patents, less depreciation, loose tool, less depreciation, investment, store and sports fats, less depreciation, prepaid expenses, outstanding income, loan and advance, closing stock, sundry debtors, plus any adjustment, less bad debts, new, less provision for discount on debtors, insurance claim receivable, bills receivable, cash in hand, cash at bank, partners current account, credit balances. First adjustment: closing stock. First effect, balance sheet asset side. Second effect, trading account credit side. Second adjustment, outstanding expenses. First effect, add to particular expenses on the debit side of trading oblique profit and loss account. Second effect, balance sheet liability side. Third adjustment, prepaid expenses. First effect, deduct from particular expenses on the debit side of trading oblique profit and loss account. Second effect, balance sheet asset side. Fourth adjustment, income received in advance, pre-received income. First effect, deduct from the particular income on the credit side of profit and loss account. Second effect, balance sheet liability side. Income receivable, add to the particular income on the credit side of profit and loss account. And second effect, balance sheet asset side. Interest on capital. First effect, show to the debit side profit and loss account. Second effect, partners current account credit side, add to capital oblique current account. Next adjustment, depreciation. First effect, show to the debit of the profit and loss account. Second effect, less from the particular asset in balance sheet asset side. Second adjustment, reserve for doubtful debts, new RDD. First effect, show to the debit of the profit and loss account. Second effect, deduct from the sundry debtors in balance sheet asset side. Next adjustment, bad debts in bracket additional or new bad debts. First effect, show to the debit of the profit and loss account in bracket add to old bad debts. Second effect, deduct from the sundry debtors in balance sheet asset side. Next adjustment, reserve for a discount on debtors. First effect, show to the debit of the profit and loss account in bracket add to discount allowed. Second effect, deduct from the sundry creditors in balance sheet liability side. Next adjustment, interest on drawing. Show first effect, show to the credit side profit and loss account. Second effect, partners current account debit side of less from capital oblique current account. Interest on loan taken. First effect, show to the debit of the profit and loss account. Add second effect, add to loan taken in the balance sheet liability side. Interest on investment and loan given. First effect, show to the credit side of the profit and loss account. Second effect, balance sheet asset side. Next adjustment, goods stolen. First effect, profit and loss account debit side. Second effect, trading account credit side. Sorry, goods distributed as pre-sample. First effect, trading account credit side. Second effect, profit and loss account debit side in bracket add in advertisement. Next adjustment, goods withdrawn by partner for personal use. First effect, trading account credit side. Second effect, partners capital oblique current account debit side. Next adjustment, unrecorded purchase. First effect, add to purchase on the debit side of the trading account. Second effect, add to creditors on the liability side of balance sheet. Next adjustment, unrecorded sales. First effect, add to sales on the credit side of trading account. Second effect, add to debtors on the asset side on the balance sheet. Next adjustment, bills receivable dishonor. First effect, add to amount of bill dishonor to sundry debtors in the balance sheet asset side. Second effect, deduct the amount of bill dishonor from bill receivable. Last adjustment, bills payable dishonor. First effect, add to amount bill dishonor to sundry creditors in the balance sheet asset side. And second effect, deduct the amount of bill dishonor from bills payable. Steps for solving problem. First, prepare the necessary account including the working notes. फायनल अकाउंटचा प्रॉब्लेम सोडत असताना पुढील काही स्टेप आपल्याला पाहायच्या आहे. त्यातली पहिली स्टेप आहे की रिलेटेड अकाउंट्स अँड स्टेटमेंट आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी वर्किंग नोट्स करून घ्यायचे आहेत. सेकंड, place some marks on trial balance item for external as well as internal adjustment. Go through trial balance items and given only one accounting effects. Go through adjustment and give two accounting effects. Close ledgers in the working notes except capital. Find gross profit, net profit and transfer it to individual capital account. Find the closing balance in capital and transfer it to balance sheet. And last, tally the balance sheet. Thank you.